Dear students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain a very few problems from the JEE mains examination which was completed recently. Okay, now coming to first problem. So here it is given if sine square 10 degrees into sine 20 degrees into sine 40 degrees into sine 50 degrees into sine 70 degrees is equal to alpha minus sine 10 degrees by upon 16, then the value of alpha is given. So if you observe, the left hand side is completely a sine function and right hand side is also a sine function. So we have to simplify this function so that you have to get this type of expression in place of alpha, whatever it is there, that is your final answer. Okay, now. So now what I am to do is, so I am rearranging these terms like this. So here sine square 10, no, I will write it as a sine 10 degrees into sine 50 degrees into sine 70 degrees times, again one more sine 10 degrees is there. So it is a sine 10 degrees, here sine 20 degrees, again sine 40 degrees. So I rearrange the term, sine 10 into sine 10, sine square 10, 50, 70. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to convert it into cos. Why? Because we have a result in cos. A very beautiful result we have. First I will simplify this, afterwards I will come to this. First I will take this. So here sine 70 can be written as cos 20 degrees. Why? Because 70 we can write down 90 minus 20 degrees. Again cos 50 can be written as, sine 50 can be written as cos 40 degrees. Sine 10 degrees can be written as cos 80 degrees. Okay, na? Right. So this is cos theta into this is cos 2 theta into this is cos 4 into theta. So we have a result here that is equal to, this is given by sine 2 cube theta by 2 cube sine theta. Okay, now. So this is, we have sine 2 cube means 2 cube 8 into theta means here 20 degrees by 2 cube 8 into sine theta means here 20 degrees. So this is equal to sine 160 degrees by 8 into sine 20 degrees. Sine 160 degrees means sine 180 minus 20. Sine 180 minus 20, sine 20, both are same, you can cancel. Up to here its answer is first expression, first factor, its value is 1 by 8. So coming to that expression we will come to here. So this can be written as, this is sine 10 degrees, you can write it as, so this is a sine 20, sine 40, 20, 40, can I write it as a sine 30 degrees minus 10 degrees into sine 30 degrees plus 10 degrees, can I write it as 30 minus 10, 20, 30 plus 10, 40. Yes, easily I can write down. So this is again sine 10 degrees into sine A plus B into sine A minus B. Sine A plus B into sine A minus B, sine square A minus sine square B. Okay, right. So this is equal to sine 10 degrees into sine 30 is 1 by 2. So this is a 1 by 4 sine square 10 degrees. Okay, now. So you multiply sine 10 inside, so it will happen sine 10 degrees minus 4 sine cube 10 degrees divided by 4. Okay, now. So here you are getting one formula like sine 3 theta formula. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. But here 3 is not there. That's why we will do one thing. 3 sine 10 degrees minus 4 sine cube 10 degrees. So here what I did, 2 sine 10 degrees I added. So 2 sine 10 degrees I have added. That's why I will minus 2 sine 10 degrees by 4. Okay, now understand. So why? Because you have to get an idea. That means 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. If it is there, you can write down sine 3 theta. But here 3 is not there. Let's write 3 sine 10. That means to compensate that, 3 sine 10 minus 2 sine 10 degrees is equal to sine 10 degrees. So up to here how much? Sine 3a minus 2 sine 10 degrees by 4. So this is equal to sine 30. Sine 30 means how much? 1 by 2 minus 2 sine 10 degrees by 4. So this is equal to 1 by 8 minus, so 2 ones are 1 by 2 sine 10 degrees. So if you observe here, up to here we got 1 by 8. For the second factor we got 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2 sine 10 degrees. Understand? So I will multiply these two factor values and I will get the final answer. Here for first factors we got 1 by 8. For second factors we got 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2 sine 10 degrees. So multiply 1 by 8 inside. So this is equal to 1 by 64 minus 1 by 16 sine 10 degrees. Understand? So compare your value with the given value. So if you observe 1 by 16 minus sine 10 degrees is there. In place of alpha, how much is there? 1 by 64. So this will be your answer. Understand this? So the only thing what you have to get from this is, so rearrange the terms. Rearrange the terms. Sir, how we will get the idea? So this idea you will get by doing number of problems, this type of problems. Okay, na? So I hope that you understand the solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. If f of x is equal to maximum of modulus of x plus 1 comma modulus of x plus 2 comma modulus of x plus 3 so on, then the integral of minus 6 to 0 f of x dx is equal to the value of this. So this type of problems you can do easily by drawing the graphs. Very, very easy graphs. So here, see, observe here, y is equal to modulus of x plus 1 graph. How to do modulus of x plus 1 graph? See here, y is equal to mod x graph, y is equal to modulus of x plus 1 graph. How to do this? How to draw? Always remember this, always remember. So this is equal to y is equal to mod x graph. Y is equal to mod x graph. Y is equal to modulus of x plus 1 means it will move plus 1 to right side. So this is equal to y is equal to modulus of x plus 1 graph. So y is equal to mod of x plus 1 graph, modulus of, so y is equal to modulus of x plus 1 means it will go 1 unit up. Y is equal to modulus of x plus 1. If it is y is equal to modulus of x plus 1 means plus 1 is inside the modulus. Okay, now then it will move 1 unit to the left side, 1 unit to the left side. So this is equal to y is equal to modulus of x plus 1 graph. If it is modulus of x plus 1, so the graph will move 1 unit upward. If it is modulus of x plus 1, so here x plus 1 modulus is there, then it will move 1 unit to the left side. If it is minus 1, it move 1 unit to the right side. So if you know this concept, so by drawing all these graphs is a very, very easy one. Okay. So I hope that you understand this concept. Now I am going to draw the graph of x plus 1, modulus of x plus 1, modulus of x plus 2, modulus of x plus 3, modulus of x plus 4, modulus of x plus 5. Okay. So this is the graph. So this is a x-axis and it is a y-axis. So these are the critical points: minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. So y is equal to modulus of x plus 1 graph is this. This is y is equal to modulus of x plus 1 graph. Y is equal to modulus of x plus 2 graph is this. Y is equal to modulus of x plus 2 graph. Y is equal to modulus of x plus 3. This is y is equal to modulus of x plus 3. That means 3 units moves to the left side. So this is equal to y is equal to modulus of x plus 4. And it is equal to modulus of x plus 5. Okay. So I have drawn all the 5 graphs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 graphs. So observe here, what is here? What is there here? Maximum is there. What is the maximum of these graphs? What is the maximum of these graphs? Anybody can say easily? So this is the maximum graph. this will be the maximum graph. So that will be the maximum. Understand? That means what is this part? This part is nothing but y is equal to x plus 1. So one more thing also you have to learn this. What is the learn is? So if it is a y is equal to mod x graph, so this is y is equal to x, this side y is equal to minus x. Left side is y is equal to minus x, right side is y is equal to plus x. So this graph belongs to y is equal to modulus of x plus 1, but it is a left side. That's why this is equal to y is equal to minus of x plus 1. Okay, na? Right. What about this? This graph belongs to y is equal to x plus 5. Of course, it is right side. Y is equal to x plus 5. This branch, two branches. This branch is right side of y is equal to modulus of x plus 5. That's why y is equal to x plus 5. This branch is y is equal to modulus of x plus 5, but it's a left side. That's why minus of x plus 1. Now, what about this intersection part? Intersection part we have to take, no? We have to take the intersection part. So, this is minus 6 also will be there, minus 6 to 0. So, what will be the intersection part? This intersection part we will get by solving these two equations. These two equations. What are those two equations? So, this is minus x minus 1 is equal to x plus 5. So, take to that side and it is 2x is equal to 2x is equal to minus 6, x is equal to minus 3. So, this is nothing but x is equal to minus 3. Of course, it is also there here. I think it will come here. X is equal to minus 3. So, your integral minus 6 to 0 f of x is nothing but dx is nothing but integral minus 6 to 0 minus 6 to 0 minus 6 to minus 3 minus 6 to minus 3. What is the branch of this? This equation you have to take minus of x plus 1 dx plus minus 3 to 0 minus 3 to 0. What is the branch you have to take? X plus 5 dx. Okay, very easy one. So, minus 6 to minus 3 minus x minus 1 dx plus again here minus x to 0. This is the branch you have to take. Y is equal to x plus 5, that is here x plus 5. This side minus 6 to minus 3. Either you calculate it. Okay, na? So, calculate this. So, this is if you calculate this, you will get this is equal to so, this is equal to minus x square by 2 minus x upper limit lower limit plus x square by 2 plus 5x upper limit 0 lower limit minus 3. Calculate and you will get the answer. Okay, na? So, by drawing the graphs of these functions, we can find the final answers very easily. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to third problem. The value of limit extends to 0 cos of sin x minus cos x upon x power 4. So, the problem is a very easy, and first of all the problem is very understandable problem. So, there are some problems are there. So, what is the given data, what we have to prove, that finding that also very difficult, but here the problem is very clear. Limit extends to 0 cos of sin x minus cos x by x power 4. Okay. So, some students they will approach this problem as a cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d formula is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2, like that also you can approach. But if you approach this problem in a logical way, so if you approach this problem by doing sin x and cos x expansions, the problem is a very easy. Within 4 or 5 steps you will get the answer. To do this problem, you should know the expansion of sin x and cos x. First, to see the expansion of sin x. The expansions of sin x and cos x are: sin x expansion is x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial, which go on. This is a sin x expansion. What about cos x expansion is 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial minus x power 6 by 6 factorial, so on. So, these are the expansions of sin x and cos x. going. If you know these two expansion, the problem is a very, very easy one. Okay, so let us apply this. Okay, so here limit x tends to 0. Cos x in place of x, sin is there. Cos x is there, then 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial. Up to how much we have to write down means to get the x power 4. Enough. No need to write down so many. Why? Because after x power 4, it will get cancelled, and as x tends to 0, remaining all will become 0. So no need to write down so on infinity. Right. First cos x, that means 1 minus x square. X square means here sin x whole square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 no need. X power 4 no need. Why? Because right, otherwise you write down, no problem. Sin x whole power 4 by 4 factorial, so on, no need. Why? Because we, as x tends to 0, here denominator x power 4 is there. No, afterwards if you write down x power 6, those will get cancelled, you will get 0. Okay, now, so write minus cos x expansion. Cos x expansion, we got 1 minus direct 1 by x by 2 factorial, x power 4 by 4 factorial minus x power 6 by 6 factorial, so on. No need of this x power 6 also. This x power 4 is also no need. Why? Because already here x power 4 will get cancelled. Okay, now, right? Whole divided by x power 4. So any more cancellations in the numerator? Yes, you can easily cancel. Plus 1, minus 1, you can easily cancel. Okay, now I will rearrange the terms. Limit x tends to 0. So here minus of minus, plus is there, x square by 2 factorial minus sin x whole square by 2 factorial. So 2 factorial means 2, 1 by 2 I will take. So here write down x square minus sin x whole square, 1 by 2 x square, right. Again plus 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 4 3 are 24. So 1 by 24 into, so here plus will be there. So this is equal to sin x whole to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 whole divided by x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4. Understand this? Okay. So if you observe, see here, as limit x tends to 0, observe here 1 by 24 times sin x whole to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4. What is the expansion of sin x? Sin x expansion is x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial, so on. That means if you write here x minus x cube by 3 factorial, enough, whole to the power of 4 x power 4. Binomial expansion, x minus x cube by 3 factorial whole power 4. Here x power 4 you will get, x power 4 plus x power 4 minus x power 4 will get cancelled. Even then if you write down x to the power of 12 will come. Next term will be x to the power of 12 something will be get. But here x power 4 is there. Here something more than x power 4 will come. Okay. If you substitute x is equal to 0 there. So this all terms will get cancelled. You will get 0. You will get 0. Understand this? In place of sin x, I wrote if x minus x cube by 3 factorial. Enough. Just two terms enough. X minus x cube whole power 4. First term will be x power 4. Next 4c1 x cube whole term will be there. We will get cancelled. Understand this? So after learning this, you will get 0. Now what about this value? Okay, what about this value? Let us see this value. So here this is equal to, up to this term we got already 0. Already we got 0. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 by 2 x square minus. What is the expansion of sin x? Sin x expansion is x minus x cube by 3 factorial. Enough. Whole square whole by x power 4. So coming to this calculation, so this is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 by 2 x square minus. See, expand here a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a minus b whole square, a square minus, already before minus is there, plus 2ab by 6 minus b square, that means x to the power of 6 by this is equal to x 3 factorial means 6. Otherwise, you can write down x cube by 6 whole square, whole to the power of x power 4. So, if you observe plus x square minus x square will get cancelled. So, x into x cube, x power 4, x power 4, x power 4 you will also get cancelled. From here onwards, you will get 0. Why? Because x power 6 will be there. X power 6 by x power 4 means x square you will get in the numerator, you will get 0. Here 2 also will get cancelled. Ultimately, what remains in the problem is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is your right answer. Okay, now? So, I hope that you understand this calculation. So, I did this problem using expansion. So, very easy problem. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to fourth problem. If this is a problem of determinants and adjoints, if you know the properties, the problem is a very easy one. So, before knowing this, doing this problem, first I will explain the problem properties belongs already. In my previous videos, I explained these properties and the results. Once again, I will revise those things. So, if it is anything, if the properties, if it is anything, it is like this. Adjoint of some Ka is there, adjoint of K. If you want to K taken outside, so this will come K to the power of n minus 1 into adjoint of A. This is the first one. The second one, determinant of Ka is equal to K power n into determinant of A. The second one, that means if you want to take K is a constant. If you want to take K outside of the determinant, so K for n is equal to det A. Third one is a relation between adjoint and determinant. So, this result is given by determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A whole power n minus 1. That is the result we have. And the fourth one, if it is determinant of adjoint of A is there, this is equal to determinant of A whole power n minus 1 square. If it is a 2 adjoints, square. If it is 3 adjoints, cube. If it is 4 adjoints, power 4. That means determinant of A n minus 1 whole power 4 you will get like that. If it is a 4 adjoints are there. So, using these properties, you can solve these problems very easy one. Okay, now. So, first observe here, adjoint of 24A. Adjoint of A, of course, determinant is there. So, this is equal to det A whole power n minus 1. Det A whole power n minus 1, that is det 24A whole power n minus 1. Of course, A is a 3 by 3 matrix. It is a, I forgot to tell, A is a 3 by 3 matrix. See here, determinant of adjoint of A is equal to det A, whatever may be that whole power n minus 1. Here what is there? 24A whole power n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 whole square. So, here it is also adjoint of whatever may be that, determinant of 3 times adjoint of 2A whole square, for also whole power n minus 1. Okay, happy, whatever may be that, right? And one more thing what I am going to do is, here also I am taking 24 outside. So, here 24K I am taking, that means K power n. That means here what? 24 whole cube. Of course, here square is there. Understand? So, if I take 24 outside, full power will come. 24 whole cube whole square. So, here also I am taking 3 outside. That means 3 cube whole square, determinant of adjoint of 2A whole square. Okay, now, right. So, here 24 whole power 6. For whole C6, det A whole square, 3 to the power of 6. Here adjoint of 2A, so again, adjoint of A is equal to det A whole power n minus 1. So, adjoint of 2A means what? Determinant of 2A whole power n minus 1. N minus 1 means 3 minus 1 whole square. Again for this square is there, remember that square is there. So, here once again I am writing 24 whole power 6 into det A whole square is equal to 3 power 6 into. So, this is equal to determinant of 2A whole power 4. Okay na? So this is equal to 24 whole power 6 into whole square is equal to 3 power 6 into again 2a. Forget about 4. Determinant of 2a, determinant of k power n. That means 2 cube. Of course, whole power 4 is there. Determinant of a whole power 4. Understand? Whole power 4. So here det a whole square, det a whole power 4 is there. You can cancel det a whole square, and det a whole square is given by so here 24 whole power 6 by 3 power 6 into 2 power 12. 3 power 6 into 2 to the power of 12. So you calculate these value. So you definitely determinant of a whole square you will get 64. 64 will be your final answer. Determinant of a whole square is equal to 64. So very, very nice problem. So if you know these 4 properties, the answer is very, very nice. Just see the answer. I applied almost except this 4th one. I applied first one, second one, third one. I applied it and I got the answer. Okay na? So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to the next problem. If x by a plus y by b is equal to 2 is a tangent to the curve x by a whole power n plus y by b whole power n is equal to 2, then the value of n is for, that means the question is, so options are also given, the question is for what values of n, the given line will become a tangent to the given curve. Okay na, that is a problem. So this was asked in 26th July 2022 mains examination for 4 marks, right? So that means there is a curve is there and a straight line is there. Curve equation is x by a whole power n plus y by b whole power n is equal to 2. What is the straight line equation? X by a plus y by b is equal to 2. So what will be the point of contact? Anybody can easily guess. The point of contact is a comma b. Observe here, substitute here. A by a 1, b by b 1, 1 plus 1 2, right? Here also substitute a by a 1, 1 power n 1, b by b 1, 1 power n 1, 1 plus 1 1. That means the point a comma b satisfies both the equation. Okay now. So now what will be the slope of this line? So m is equal to minus a by b. Minus a means x coefficient by b means y coefficient. So this is equal to minus b by a. That is the slope of the given equation. Now what will be the slope of the tangent? Means you have to find out the derivative of this equation dy by dx. In that you have to substitute a comma b. Okay. So what is the derivative of this equation? See here, n into x by a whole power n minus 1, n into x by a whole power n, and again for x by a 1 by a, plus n into y by b whole power n minus 1, for again y by b it is 1 by b. This is a dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay now. Substitute a comma b, you will get the slope of the tangent. So this is equal to, if you substitute a by a will get cancelled 1 power n minus 1. Here n also you can cancel. Ultimately it remains 1 by a plus. Here also b will be get cancelled. Here n, here observe here n is getting cancelled here. So this is also b will cancel, 1 by b dy by dx is equal to 0. So your dy by dx, that means your slope of the tangent will become how much? Minus b by a. That means what you are getting? The slope of the line is same as slope of the tangent, but here there is no business with n. There is no business with n. Here n getting cancelled. If it is x by a whole cube, y by b whole cube, 3 will come here, 3 will come here, anyhow here 0 is there, get cancelled. If it is whole power 4 is there, 4 will come here, 4 will come here, is equal to 0 is there, 4 will get cancelled. For me, that means what? From this what can you analyze? What can you analyze? So for any real number, for any real number n belongs to R, for any real number n, the line will become a tangent to that curve. That means if you can keep here 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Anyhow here 5 will come here, here also 5 will come. Here A by A will get cancelled, B by B will get cancelled, 5, 5. Anyhow here 0 will be there, 0 will be there definitely. Is equal to 2 is there, no, 0 will be there. That number will be cancelled, n will be cancelled. That means there is no business with n. Okay, now, right. So I hope that you understand this solution. For example, if it is a 1 is there, here 1 and here also 1 is there, then what will be the situation means for x by a, y by b. So this is a comma 0 and this is 0 comma b. So there also a comma 0. So that means this curve a comma 0 and it intersects at 2 points a comma 0. So this is a comma 0 and 0 comma 4. This a comma 0 will satisfy. This is also, see here, a comma 0 and 0 comma b. A by a 1 1, 0 comma b, 0 comma b by b 1 width. That means these two curves intersect at 2 points. These two curves, the tangent and the curve intersects at 2 points. That means for any value of n, the line cannot be a tangent to this curve. That means if it is a 1 is there, n value is null set. If it is 2 is there, n is infinite set, that is n belongs to real number. Okay, na? So you remember these two results, it will be helpful to you. Okay, so dear students, I hope that you enjoyed today's class. With some more problems, I will come tomorrow's class. Okay, so until then, all the best.